Hey guys, so I'm coming to you today with a video. I'm showing you my Websters Pages A5 pink floral planner that I got. This is a traveler's notebook. This is the newest one that they came out with, and I really like the size. And if you want to know the things that I got and decorated, there is a video. You can stop this video and then check out all the things that I got to decorate the inside of this planner. So without further ado, let's get started. I made a crystal flower with Swarovski crystals that I have. I love working with these crystals that make things look 10 times better. And so I have pink, and I have like a tan color, and this very pretty pastel green. And so I just made me a cute little flower, and I glued it down. I have a bookmark charm that I also made, and I used blue string. And here is a pretty pink and gold conch shell. I have pretty light pastel color pink beads on here. And then I have this gold with rhinestone bead here. I forgot what they call them, but I just call it a bead. Then I have this one here, and it's light blue, with gold accent. Then I have an iridescent bead right here, and then this one is tan and a light brown. And then here's also another pink bead. Here is a seashell, and excuse my daughter laughing in the background. Now, I do have a video explaining all the things that I got, so you can go back and look at the other video. But these are Prima flowers, and I thought it was super cute. I like the color, the theme. This is the Capri collection, and I love the fact that it reminded me of jean color. So I like the blue. I like the very range of pink that they had in this collection, so I decided to go with that theme. And so these are the chipboard stickers with the flowers, and the foiling is that rainbow color, iridescent on gold. So I thought that was absolutely beautiful. So these are the journaling cards that I made up so I can stick in here. And this one says light in truth, and with the butterflies, and then it has the iridescent foil on there. These are the Say It With crystals, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It pops, it gives it like a pop, and very shiny. And then these are Swarovski crystals that I glued on the fabric. Here is like, I want to say suede material. So I like that because my crystals glue very well on here, like the Hot Fix Clip crystals. And you can also use clear glue to make sure that your crystals stick on there if you want it more secured. Excuse me. And so I have like this very dark blue. It's like a jeans color crystal. And then here's the tan ones. And then here is like a opal white color. Here is a journaling card that I made. And I have it sticking up like this on purpose so I can just easily slide it out. I decorated it with die cuts that came in the pack. And here is this journaling card. Here's the cute little die cuts. And you guys, I'm just loving this foil. It matches so well. And it slides back just like this. I decided to add a cute little baby pink tassel. And then here is the journal books I decided to make to go in here. This is the paper. I really love the flowers. I added a puffy sticker on here in the middle, and then I glued on the Say It With Crystals. When you pull them off, sometimes the backing, the adhesive backing doesn't come off with the little jewel, so I decided to just reinforce it with glue so it will stay more permanently. Here is another puffy sticker, a butterfly. And then I just did blank computer paper. And I have a flamingo little charm paper clip that I decided to put on there. And I don't know if you guys know that now they have square paper clips. And these are nice, but I think they're a little bit more difficult to come off of the paper. And sometimes I find that they rip the paper, so you have to push it up at an angle and then pull it off. But other than that, I think they're really cute. So I decided to make this a charm to put on the paper clip. And here is the back. And then here is another journal that I did. And I keep on calling these journals, but these are traveler notebook inserts. So excuse me, traveler notebook inserts. I don't know why I want to call them journal. This came with a journal. You can buy it with the journal or without the journal. I decided to buy this traveler's notebook with the white journal, and the white journal sits in the back of the traveler's notebook. These do not have the insert that comes typically with the traveler's notebook. You have to make them on your own, and they do not sell the journal that comes with that typically comes with a traveler's notebook. I hope in the future that they do, because it would be nice. Then you would have a starter traveler's notebook, but as of right now, they don't come with a starter traveler's notebook insert, so you got to make your own. They do come with the bands here, and typically 4 of them. And so here is again the second one that I made. And I did put a flower. I decided to do a flower paper clip, and I had these jumbo dark blue ones, and I thought it was just perfect and fitting for this whole theme. And then what I did was I put a puffy sticker in the back so I can cover up, you know, the glue in the top of the paper clip. And I thought that this lays very, very pretty on the book and over here, because it has, you know, this much space, probably about 1 inch of space when you finish, you make your insert. So I thought it laid very pretty. And here is the bookmark charm. I decided to put it around the middle insert, and it just lays through here. And then here is the last insert that I made, and here's another paperclip charm. Well, here's another paperclip charm, the sunglasses. And then I have the flowers. I am just like mixing up my words today, you guys. Okay, and then I have puffy stickers that I decided to put on there. And I love the fact that they're soft. And so you could just stick them on your insert and you don't ever have to worry about it like moving or tearing off or anything. And it lays pretty well on here. They're not too bulky. So I really like this. This is my first time trying out Puffy stickers on the paper and the insert I made. So I'm loving that. I'm loving that. And then of course I have the Say It with crystals that's just, you know, scattered on here. And then the white journal I decided to take out so this can lay a little bit flatter and nicer. But the white journal that comes with it, you can stick the back cover on here, and then it lays, as you can see here. That's how far it lays, and it sits very nice. And then you have a back pocket here where you can stick like stickers or other papers or whatever you want to stick back there. But so this is what my inside of my traveler's notebook could look like. I love taking notes, so I will be taking notes in this. I enjoyed making it. I hope this inspires you to, you know, decorate your own. You have your own style. And if you do, leave me a link down in the comments so I can check out your video and give you a thumbs up and a comment. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so every time that I upload a video, you are aware and you can check it out. And you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I will see